Today I'm going to show you how to join together two coaxial cables as neatly and as properly as I can. First, I take one end of the coax and strip back the outer insulation by about 2 centimeters. And then I do the same with the second coaxial cable. I do the same on the other coaxial cable and I push back the braid. I then cut the dielectric on both, and making sure that the copper cores are at the same length, I will push them into the dielectric about 10 millimeters, leaving a gap of about 5 millimeters of copper core. Then I solder the two copper cores together, being careful not to overheat it. You want a clean join, just enough solder to hold, not a big blob. Once that's done, I take a small bit of the leftover dielectric, I will cut it to the right size and then cut down half the middle so I can fold it over the copper core. So take your time with this. It's important for the copper core to be isolated from the braid. If it's not, the signal will be massively reduced or stopped altogether. Next, I fold the braid back over the new dielectric on both sides. Try to get as much braid contact between the two cables as possible. Then I use some of the original outer sheath. I cut it down half of it so we could open it up. I then got another piece, did the same, and put it on the other side of the cable. I wrap the whole join in black electrical tape, tight and neat, twice over. If this cable is going to be outside, you need to finish it with a layer of self-amalgamating tape to waterproof it and stop moisture from getting in. And that's it, a clean, solid coax join, soldered, insulated, shielded and sealed. It's not quite the same as a new cable, but if done carefully like this, you won't lose much signal and it'll hold up really well. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. And feel free to comment below with your own methods or questions.